Monsoon started off in India with a bang, arriving exactly on time. Monsoons are extremely important for the purposes of agriculture, and in India is considered to be extremely important because it helps the GDP of the country grow rapidly. After arriving with a bang on June 10 in Mumbai and later on in most parts of the country, it has slowed down. Various analyses are being put forward, but I believe that there is now going to be an ebb in the monsoon conditions, and my analysis shows that we will see a major revival only around the third week of August 2013. There could be rainfall in between, but a major revival would happen only around the third week of August. So the government needs to fine tune its policies, keeping this in mind. Uttaranchal region has been badly affected by landslides, and I have great sympathy for the people who have lost their relatives, the very near ones in this tragedy. It's immensely sorrowful. I commend the efforts of the Indian Army in trying to bring out and rescue people who have been stuck in this very religious destination of choice for many Indians, and I hope they continue the good work. I also hope the government improves on its disaster management and predictive abilities to be able to see things much in advance, to plan and make sure that areas such as the Himalayas are not inundated with too much of blasting and too much of construction of dams, as it is resulting into a great ecological disaster. Of great significance and not much talked about is the shrine of the sage Adi Shankaracharya, just a little behind the Kedarnath temple. It is a matter of great pride and heritage for India, and I would truly request the Indian government to make efforts to try and locate this Patik Lingam, which seems to have been washed away. This is of great importance, and I believe that the Indian government should put in tremendous effort to try and locate this as soon as possible. Coming back to the stock market indices, they seem to be on a downward trend, as I have been predicting for quite some time again. The Indian rupee is perilously close to the 60 rupees to a US dollar mark. Commentators are now talking of a range of Nifty between 5600 to 6300. Firstly, it's already dipped much below 5600 today. Secondly, the range of 5600 to 6300 is so wide that I don't know how it could enable any investor to make an intelligent investment decision. These people are also advising investors to start cherry picking stocks at this point of time, now that the indices have fallen quite a lot. I don't think so. I believe that investors should stay put. They should put none of their money in stocks at this point of time. Most global stock indices have much further to fall, I would say between 15% to 20% between now and the end of August 31, and they should start cherry picking or otherwise stocks only around the end of August 2013. This would definitely not be the right time, and I would advise investors not to get misled by such wrong analysis of commentators. Stay tuned, and we'll talk again shortly. Take care. Bye bye.